Louise here from Porsche Teesside, and we're just bringing you the December issue of the how-to videos, a small collection of videos showing you how to do certain things with your Porsche. Hopefully you'll find them useful. Today we'll be looking at leaving the parking light on, so whether you're parked at a friend's or relatives, or you've gone to a restaurant and you just wanted your Porsche to be a little bit more visible, we'll show you how to do that in this quick and easy video. Thank you. So if you head over to your lighting control and select either auto or off, or the full manual switch will go off. Come on over to your indicator lever. If you'd like to activate the driver's side parking light, simply push the indicator up as if you're turning right, and that notifies you that the parking light is active. I think you can see that in our showroom window. Alternatively, if you'd like to activate the passenger side, come back down to the indicator lever and pop it all the way down to the left, as if you were indicating left. And again, it tells you that the parking light is activated. Thanks for watching our how-to video, and stay tuned, we'll be bringing you more how-to videos in January. Thank you.